Hello everyone! What weird thing am I going to show you today? Well, make a guess. What you see in my hand looks very disgusting, right? But it's also amazing because just in 1 week, this packet of food became a hub of life. I could see different kinds of fungi here: green, grey, white, black, brown. I couldn't exactly find out if it's the same kind of fungus in different stages or different kinds of mold, but it's still very exciting for me. Well, if you ever wish for such a thrilling experience, just hide a packet of buns from your children so that they don't fight over it and forget about it completely. And after a week, when you're doing your weekly cleanup, you might find it just like this. Okay, then. Goodbye until my next video. Be safe and stay happy.